China, renowned for its industrial prowess, is also witnessing a remarkable rise in the pigeon farming sector. Between 2016 and 2022, the number of pigeons raised for meat surged from 8 million to an astonishing 15 million, not only creating thousands of jobs but also contributing significantly to the economy. Pigeon meat, offering a low-fat source of protein, is emerging as a credible alternative to traditional livestock farming. In provinces such as Shandong and Henan, expansive pigeon farms spanning thousands of square meters are carefully planned and managed. A key step in the process involves selecting breeds with desirable traits like size, efficient growth, and delectable meat. The white king pigeon, often chosen for these attributes, dominates the farms. Starting with meticulous egg selection for incubation, the process advances with precise temperature and humidity control using electric incubators. This modern approach ensures optimal conditions for hatching, leading to robust and healthy pigeon chicks. These young pigeons undergo vaccination against various diseases, safeguarding their well-being. The growth of young pigeons hinges on a balanced diet, which includes seeds, grains, nutritious foods, and green sources, like leaves and grass. This careful diet contributes to healthy growth and desirable meat quality. After about 4 to 6 weeks of care, pigeons reach a weight of 600 to 800 grams, marking them ready for processing. Advanced processing plants play a pivotal role in this industry. With automated systems and cutting-edge technology, millions of pigeons are efficiently and hygienically processed each day. Meat is carefully cleaned, processed, and packaged, utilizing techniques like vacuum packaging to ensure freshness and quality during transportation. China's pigeon farming industry holds promise on multiple fronts. It generates employment, contributes to economic growth, and caters to the increasing demand for pigeon meat. Investments in technology and sustainable practices are crucial for the industry's continued growth, both domestically and in the global market.